Welcome everyone to the 8th event of the Marbolympics. This event is the wave. Marbles are going down the wavy track that you see here. We're going to try and go through as many of the waves as possible. The number you see right under the wave is their corresponding score. 8 marbles will be going at once. 4 for 1 marble. Their total score we accumulate into one thing is pretty obvious. Anyway, let's look at the standings. Valen Chugs took the lead after the last event, but Poe is right behind, only 1 point. Cookie and SpongeBob in a tie for third, and that's a pretty big margin away. Without further ado, it's about time that we begin this event. Give me one sec. How long is this taking? Example 1, example 2 here. As you can see, there we going through these waves. It's pretty obvious to see. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty obvious. 17 and 12, as you see the scores are right there. Hamlin and SpongeBob. The first ones on the course. Well, SpongeBob already getting a 1. It's not good for him. Got a couple 3s, 4s, it's 5. It's going to total up to Hamlin getting 17, SpongeBob only getting 12. Balance Chugs and Among Us. Now on the course. Going into the third hurdle. No one's going to fall into the third. We're going to the fourth. We're going to get a 6. Nope, we're not getting a 7. Among Us getting the average 17. And Balance Chugs getting a 19. Cookie and me, as you can see, Cookie, and I forgot to say about Among Us, but they both also got a redesign, and I think also Hamlin got a redesign. I forgot to talk about that one too. Only Cookie's gonna get all 5s. He's gonna total up to a 20. We're just gonna put Cookie in the lead. I get a 16, not that bad. Peter Griffin and Elmo are now on the course. We're going into 3. Oh, we're getting to 6. Oh, that was close to a 7. That's not gonna make it though. And that's everyone actually getting an 18. Fair share of 18. Okay, halfway through, first part of this event. Cookie currently taking the lead. Joe Biden and Scratch Cat are the next 2 up. Oh, we're getting some 5s. We're getting a 6. No 7s today. Joe Biden getting a 17. Scratch Cat. Ooh, we have 2 3s, which is going to make it a 16. Roblox Noob and Poe up now. Poe currently second place in the standings. Roblox Noob currently, I think, last. No one's even going to get a 6 this round. We have Poe getting a 17. And Roblox Noob, a low 15 for him. Peppa Pig and Mike Wazowski. I don't really have anything to comment about this. We're going there. Almost getting a 7. There. Mike Wazowski getting a 20. Peppa Pig getting an 18. Not bad for both. Homer, Simpson, and Toad. 2 fairly doing decent in the standings. We're going to get a 5. No 6s even. It's not going to be good for either. 2 14s. 2 pretty bad scores. Okay, this is not the official standings because everyone is going to go twice, but Mike Wazowski is currently in the lead. Among Us and Peppa Pig. Again, their better score will be counted as their official score. If there is a tie, we will use their worst score as a tiebreaker. And if that doesn't work, we will use their overall place in the standings. Anyways, Peppa Pig is going to get a 21. That's the first 21, putting her in the lead. Me and Toad up now. Everyone usually can get past 3. But anything can happen. No one's not even gotten a 7. 19 for me. That's a better score for me. Toad got a 16, which tells me a better score, but still bad. SpongeBob and Cookie. Now with chocolate chips. Oh, we got a lot of 3s. That's not that good. Only the best score being a 5. Cookie 16. Oh, I can't even speak. SpongeBob got a 13, which is horrible. But Elmo and Mike Wazowski are up next. Oh, a lot of 3s. We're gonna get some 4s. We're not even gonna get a 6 again. Almost going to get 18 again. Mike Wazowski at 17, not as good. Balance Chugs and Peter Griffin. Balance Chugs leading in the standings. See if a good position. Oh, that's almost a 2 6s. That's not bad. But we're going to have a 20 for Balance Chugs. Better score. Peter Griffin getting a 17. Oh, and Hamlet now. Okay. We're going to have a 6. No 7s. Poe is going to do fairly bad in this event. It was a 15. Hamlet got an 18. Poe's not going to do that good. Joe Biden and Scratch Cat now. Not doing bad. Seen some good ones. We're getting a 6. And oh, that's a 7. And not even a 7. We're getting an 8 from one of Joe Biden's marbles. No one's even looking at it. Scratch Cat has gotten a 22, is taking the lead, and Joe Biden is also getting a 21. Scratch Cat, I think, has already won this event. We have Roblox Noob and Homer Simpson. I think Scratch Cat has already won his second event. We're not going to get a 7. Roblox Noob, 19. A good score. Homer Simpson, number 14. But Scratch Cat has won this event with a 22. Peppa Pig and Joe Biden. Peppa Pig gets her first medal in a long while. And there they are. Peppa Pig. That is her first medal in a while. It's probably going to bring up a few spots. And there's Joe Biden. Peppa Pig is going to jump up 4 spots. And Scratch Cat is going to jump up into 8th. 8th. He was in last place before. Balance Chugs. The top 3 actually are going to still stay the exact same. The bottom 2 are also going to stay the same as well. Homer Simpson, bad performance, dropping down 4 spots. That's it for today's episode. See you in the next one. Goodbye.